Contra Costa County leaders say that they are looking into the requirement after an outbreak at a county detention facility. As of Monday, there were 23 new cases, nearly 3,000 new COVID cases in just the past 2 weeks countywide, and 4 times more hospitalizations this month than in June when the state reopened.
Crown 4's Jonathan McCall is here tonight with the other concerns being raised from the surge. Jonathan.
In addition to those county facilities, detention facilities, leaders are also concerned about school kids who are getting ready to go back to class, some of them as early as tomorrow in Contra Costa County. The board's president says that some kids in their county will go back to school starting tomorrow, and she worries that at this current rate, there could be enough outbreaks that could prompt some schools to even close.
A troubling trend in Contra Costa County.
We are seeing more people testing positive, and it's primarily in those that are unvaccinated.
The Delta variant now dominating new cases. 80% of the county's new COVID cases, according to health leaders, involving the strain. Tuesday, health leaders said that the county has recorded 2,800 new COVID cases in just the past 2 weeks. Hospitalizations also in the county have quadrupled in just the past month.
It's 6 times higher among those that are not vaccinated versus those that are vaccinated.
Board of Supervisors President Diane Burgess says the latest surge is not threatening the county's hospital system yet, but says the concern right now is the combination of the virus's spread and the amount of people still unvaccinated.
It's anytime people are gathering and they're not masked, we don't know if they're going to spread it.
Last week, the county encouraged businesses to have workers provide proof of protections or have them take weekly tests. But Tuesday, county supervisors decided to take that one step further, proposing mandatory vaccinations for all county workers after a recent outbreak at county detention facilities.
As an employer, it is our intention to make sure that our employees are vaccinated, and that if they're not, they're going to be tested and they're going to be required to wear masks. We're going to be requiring more masks inside.
Burgess says this latest surge is especially concerning because kids are getting ready to head back to school. For some in the county, that happens this week.
I don't think people realize that if we have more breakouts in the school, there's going to be more quarantining. So it won't be shutting down the county. It'll just be shutting down those classrooms, and those parents are going to have to stay home and quarantine with their kids.
Burgess says that county leaders are still working to make sure those who need the vaccine still have access to it. At this point, she says it's not about fear, but simply facts.
Even more concerning, Supervisor Burgess says that she does not believe that her county has hit its peak yet with this latest wave of cases, but says as of now she doesn't believe that there will be any returns to lockdowns or other restrictive measures that we saw during the height of the pandemic. Jonathan McCall, Crown 4 News.